Hi everybody, welcome to our Homeschool Week 6 instruction video. As we all found out last week, we will not be returning to the school for the rest of this year, so it's more important now more than ever that you take this work very seriously and that you're putting in your full effort with every assignment. This week, things are pretty much lined up the same way that we've had them for the last few. There's a possibility that next week things will change more. We've recently gotten more guidelines from the state as to how we need to present you guys with your education for the rest of the time we're out of school. But we'll get to that next week. For this week, we're continuing on for Map Monday this week. You're going to make your own do now. For this week, you're going to be doing a thematic map of Asia. Okay, so any thematic map of part of Asia, all of Asia, a country in Asia, however you want to do it, as long as it is some type of thematic map. Going back, Tuesday, where we have Tuesday coming back. So for this week, you're picking up where we left off, and you're going to read slides 5 and 6, and you're going to complete the questions on slides 5 and 6. There will probably be one more Tut Tuesday assignment after this one here. After that, you're going to be doing our World's Fair Wednesday, which is actually going to be the human rights in your World's Fair country. This one has a few parts to it. So one of the most important things you're going to need to do for this assignment is to watch the World's Fair Human Rights Paragraph YouTube video that I made explaining how to fill out each part. The assignment itself is not very difficult. You're going to open up your document, you're going to go to 2 different websites, and you're going to complete the paragraphs in here by filling in the parts that are bolded and in parentheses. However, since you need to go to multiple websites and you need to fill out things in different ways using both the websites and this Freedom House scoring sheet here as well, it's very important that you watch the video and follow it step by step. I'll probably be spending some time in our individual class Zoom meetings this week going over this assignment just so we all have it down the way that it should be. And then for Thursday and Friday, pretty much the same thing as we've been doing so far. For Throwback Thursday, you're going to be doing an IXL on ancient Egyptian religion. And if you have time, you're going to be doing an IXL on the region profile of Europe. Then, of course, as with all Fridays, it's going to be a catch-up or go formative day. So today you're going to catch up on any work from any class. And then if you are done with that, you can do the go formative on what do AD and BC stand for. Please reach out through email or through Google Classroom with any questions that you have throughout the week. And I look forward to seeing all of you in our individual Zoom meetings. So please make sure that you show up on time to those. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you all very soon.